Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. I appreciate you for joining me today. If you're having a hard week, feeling troubled, restless, feeling stressed out, fed up with this thing called life. Perhaps you're feeling lonely. Perhaps you're feeling like there's so many limitations, scarcity, lack of opportunity. Here to remind you that you're not alone in those feelings. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can let go of some of the pain, shame, guilt, anxiety, and come back to love and trust in the unfolding of life. Getting comfortable, my friend. It's your time to relax, to enjoy this time of slowing down, not having to do anything but follow the guidance of my voice. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into the sound. Taking a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing, letting go of stress. Everything's gonna be okay, even if it doesn't feel that way right now. Breathing in trust. And exhale, letting go of worries. Breathing in faith in yourself. And exhaling faith faith in life. Remember that life takes care of life. Breathing in joy. And exhale, letting go of negativity. Feeling negativity, leave the mind, leave the body. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your belly, relaxing your face by bringing a subtle smile. Becoming aware of your posture. Becoming aware of your presence. Breathing in peacefulness. And exhale, letting go of the inner conflict. Relaxing into your body, letting go of tension in the palms of your hands and feet, relaxing your shoulders. Letting go of thoughts, letting go of storylines, letting go of self-limiting beliefs. As you breathe in, hold, and with all your awareness, exhale, let go. Breathing in with awareness. And exhaling with awareness. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, let go. Bringing all your attention in, witnessing and welcoming this moment. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Feeling everything slowing down. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Letting go of thoughts, natural for the mind to drift, drifting back into awareness as you breathe in and breathe out. Every cell in your body breathing in. And your whole body exhaling, releasing tension. Letting go of the inner critic, having more acceptance for yourself, for this beautiful life, with all of its challenges, setbacks, and pain. Breathing in gratitude. And sending that gratitude to your space as you exhale. The color for today is silver. The number is 50. And the animal is a baby pig. Relaxing the face, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead, relaxing your eyes for a few seconds, looking inwards for 5 seconds, bringing all your attention inwards. One more deep breath for now. And exhale. Thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of joyfulness, an abundance of creativity, thinking outside of the box. Sometimes when there's a problem, we try to approach it logically. Think outside the box. Open your heart and approach the problem from a different place, a childlike place of innocence. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.